Okay then. 29th problem. The length of tangent from 1 comma 4. 29th problem. A point is there 1 comma 4 and it touches a circle. That circle equation is it is 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 5. Okay now? I have to find the length of tangent. Length of tangent means it is a outer point, say it is it touches at A and the center. It is x square plus y square is equal to 5 by 2 na, or it is root of 5 by 2 whole square na. So radius that one. Center is 0 comma 0. So center is 0 comma 0 O. Radius r is equal to root of 5 by 2. Here the triangle is right angle triangle, we know it well. AP square is the hypotenuse square PC square minus OA square. Okay na? PC square is the distance between P and C. 1 plus it is 16 minus OA square is equal to 5 by 2. So it is 34 minus 5 by 2. So it is 29 by 2. This is AP square. So AP length of tangent is root of 29 by 2. Like this, we may solve the problem. Okay na? Yeah. Next, 30th. The length of the tangent from minus 2 comma minus 3 to the circle. Similar, same type problem. Here also asked, that is 30th. Length of the tangent is asked. Circle is x square plus y square plus 8x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is circle. Okay na? Circle equation. And the point is P is 2 comma minus. Length of tangent is, a formula is there, root of S11. That formula, like this, we may solve or otherwise using the formula. I got this formula in the synopsis also. It is root of S11 means you substitute 2 for x minus 3 for y. This is 2 square minus 3 whole square, 8 into 2 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 1. It is root of 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 6 plus 1. Okay na? It is 20 plus 1 36. Okay na? 16 plus 4 20. 9 plus 1 10. 20 plus 10 30 plus 36 is 6. So length of tangent is 6. By like this also you solve it, you may get that answer. Next, 31. You see 31. The locus of the point from which the tangents to the two circles are there. X square plus y square is equal to 4 and x square plus y square minus 8x. Okay na? Minus 6y plus 21. Minus 6y plus 21 is equal to 0. Okay na? Two circles are there. And we have to find the locus of point from which the two tangents are equal. The length of two tangents are equal. A very good concept here also. Observe me. I have to find the locus. Locus means many times I told you that locus of a point means with one condition that point moves. What the condition means? Here the length of these tangents to these two circles. So it is one circle. It is x square plus y square is equal to 4. Another circle is there. It is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 is equal to this. These are two circles. And a point is there. Say a point. Say it is h comma k. the length of the tangents from P to first circle, second circle. That means PA, PB. PA is equal to PB. That implies root S11 is equal to root of S dash 11. Say it is S11, it is S dash 11. Different circles. So squaring on both sides means S11 is equal to S dash 11. What is S11 means? It is H square plus K square minus 4 is equal to, here. It is H square plus K square minus 8H minus 6K plus 21. Okay, no? Like this. Here H square, K square cancels. We get plus 8H plus 6K minus 21 minus 4 is equal to 0. That is 8X plus 6Y minus 25 is equal to 0. So this is the locus because we take H comma K, that point moves so that its lengths are equal. With one condition is moving. At last we substitute X for H and Y for K. Then we will get the locus equation. Okay, Nana? That is. Next, the length of the tangent from a point on the circle to a given circle is dash. Okay, na? You see in your test, in that paper, I will. We have to find the length of a tangent of from a point which is on the one circle, given circle, to the another circle. You see, it is a circle, say yes, it is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay now? And another circle is that it is s dash we assume x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash is given. Only the difference is between those two are like this. I mean centers are equal. So otherwise we may take here like this now. Not this one, we assume. This is the equation of a circle. Suppose like this we assume. It is S and it is S dash. Just like you take it now. It is a circle outside and it is S dash is the second circle. There is a point P, x1 comma y1. It is on the first circle S is equal to 0. And from that point to this second circle S dash, the only difference is plus C, C dash 1. Okay, na? The remaining are same. Okay, we have to find this distance. Okay, na? See, since P lies on the first circle, what is the condition? If the point is lying on that circle S means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal to 0 now. The condition is there because this point P lies on the first circle. Now the second circle is this one. Only c dash is different. What is the length of tangent? Length of tangent is PA. What is PA? It is S dash, don't confuse. S dash root of S dash 1 1. Will you agree? This is circle. This circle is denoted by S dash. And from the point P, what is the length? It is root of S dash 1 1. Okay, na? Don't confuse. This is another circle. That means, very simple. In this circle equation, you substitute this point. So it is x1 square, y1 square, 2gx1, 2fy1, okay na? Plus c dash is there. But we know that up to this one, it is minus c na, its value is minus c na. You see that here. X1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2 of y1 plus c is equal to 0 from this p lies on the circle. So its value is minus c. Its value is up to this one. Its value is minus c. Plus c dash is there. Very clearly it is a c dash minus c. So the length of tangent of any point on one circle to the another circle is like this. Okay, then? Like that. Right. In geometry, whether it is straight lines, circles, conic sections, whatever it may be there, or 3D, or planes, coordinates, whatever it may be, 3-dimensional or 2-dimensional, verbal problems are there. The concept is given in the problem with some sentences, one para. If you understand that problem, you can draw one diagram according to that concept given in the problem. If you can draw the diagram, then it is easy to solve the problem. That is the thing. Okay. Now, the length of the tangent, 32. Length of the tangent from the point on the circle is, okay, 32 is over now. 33. If the tangent at the point P meets the straight line at a point Q or y-axis, then the length of PQ, also a very good problem. 33. You see, given circle is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 6y minus 2 is equal to 0. And the line is 5x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now, what is the concept is, the horizon, its center is minus 3 comma minus 3. Okay, now. It is the horizon y-axis. Assume a circle is there like this. Its equation is this one. Okay, na? And it cuts. A tangent is there. I will tell you clearly. This is x-axis. It is horizon. Okay, na? Suppose a line is there like this. Its equation is 5x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Na? It meets at one point. Assume. It meets at one point. That point is, how can you find this line meets y-axis at one point means put x is equal to 0. Na? If you put x is equal to 0 means 0 minus 2y plus 6 is equal to y is equal to 3. Okay, na? Like this. Y is equal to 3. Say for example, so 0 comma 3 is a point. Let it be Q. That is asked. From Q to this circle, a tangent is there. Okay, now you see the tangent at P. The P point is on the circle. Okay, now not needed to find the center and everything. Just I want to draw the diagram. Okay, it is y-axis. This is a line. It means the y-axis means putting x is equal to 0, 0 comma 3 is a point on the y-axis, that will be Q. And this is the circle. On that circle, a point P is there. From P to that point, the length of, we are asked length of tangent at P. That means length of tangent is nothing but PQ. Can you find the length of tangent? We don't know the P point, but Q point is there. Q point is derived from this line, cuts y axis. Putting x is 0, we can get that point. But in a reverse way, from this point to Q, the length of tangent is QP or PQ. So here it is root S1. What is root S11? You substitute 0, 3 in this circle equation, root S1. 0 na plus 9 na 3 square plus again 0 na again 3, 18 na minus 2. So it is root of 27 minus 2, 25. So 5 is the length of tangent. A very good concept. Okay, na? Right. Next, 34. The angle between the tangents to the circle with the center 4, 5 drawn from the point P minus 2, minus 3 is 120 degrees. Then the length of tangent to the circle is. And also a good concept. We are given, you see, a circle is there. It is 34 problem. With the center C, 4, 5. In the center. P is a point minus 2, minus 6. Circle equation is given. Okay, now? Say it is a PA is there. PB is there. Okay, na? Assume. This is 120 degrees. So that means it's 60 degrees and 60 degrees. You agree? We have to find this point is there. If circle equation is there, we can find the root S11. But in a different way it is asked. The angle is 120 degrees between the tangents to a circle simply given. But the center is given. 4, 5 is given only. Okay, but we have to find the center. How it is? You see that in a triangle APC, it is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, we know it is a right angle triangle. 60 degrees is there only up to this one. 60 degrees. Adjacent side is adjacent side hypotenuse. We know hypotenuse. We can find PC because points are there, and we need root S1 adjacent side. So cos 60 degrees is equal to cos 60 is how much? Is adjacent side PA by PC hypotenuse. Okay, now PA is root S1. That is what we need PA value. Simply PA you write it. By PC is it is root of, you see, 4 plus 2 square 36 plus 5 plus 2 8 64 is PA by 10. Okay, na? It is 1 by 2 is equal to PA by 10. PA is equal to 5. Okay, na? Like that we can find the length of tangent. Next, the points on the line equation is given, from which the length of tangents to the circle is given 2 units length. You see, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is a line, side is a line, P point is there, it is x1, y1. Okay, na? And a circle is there. That circle equation is x square plus y square minus 3x is equal to 0. Na? This length is given 2 units. Okay, na? We have to find that point. Say PA is equal to 2. That implies, what is PA? PA is root S11 is equal to 2. Na? That implies S11 is equal to 4. What is S11? In this point, in this equation of circle, you substitute. It is x1 square plus y1 square minus 3x1 is equal to 4. Okay, na? Actually, this point is lying in this line. That means x1 minus y1 plus 1 is equal to. So y1 is equal to 1 plus x1. So I substitute. Y1 square means 1 plus x1 whole square minus 3 x1 minus 4 is equal to 0. That means x1 square plus x1 square plus 2x1 plus 1 minus 3x1 minus 4 is equal to 0. That is 2x1 square. 2x1 square minus x1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, I will solve it. So we get one quadratic equation. One quadratic equation in terms of x1. So that is 2x1 square. I am solving here. Also 2 x1 square. 2 3 minus 6. That minus 6 will come 3 into 2. Minus 2x1 plus 2x1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Factorizing method. It is x1 of 2x1 minus 3 plus 1 of 2x1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Na? So 2x1 minus 3 of x1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Na? So x1 is equal to 3 by 2. X1 is equal to minus 1. Then what is y1? Y1 is equal to 1 plus x1. So 0. So minus 1 comma 0 is 1 point. And y1 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 5 by 2. So 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2 is another point. So there are two pairs of pair of points are there. That P point may be 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2 or minus 1 comma 0. Some option is there. Okay, like that we have to solve the problems. Yes, okay, na? Yeah, thank you.